What's up, El Michelle? I'm letting you do the video this time.
Look how dark it looks that way. Well, on camera it doesn't look dark. But holy moly, this is...
It's 12:30. We left the zoo a little while ago. We saw the stuff coming. El Michelle and I made the right choice, I would say.
Yeah, but now we're driving in it. And that way it's like super, super, super dark. I don't like dark.
No. And we're still almost 4 hours from home.
Hey, that car did the right thing. It's pulled over.
They gave up. They said, screw this. Oh, am I doing the wrong thing?
No.
Would you say that? No.
I meant like they pulled over because
decided not to deal with it.
Yeah.
It was bad. It was bad.
Yeah.
Like when...
It doesn't look as dark on camera, but it's dark.
The camera never does it justice. Like when we're in the park, you know, it flags. It's never as bad. And now this is actually like a break. Like, I might as well just get back. No, that sucked. And it was like that, like when the video started, it was like that for like a couple of minutes. And then I'm just like, get the camera. Wow. I got both hands on the wheel. I'm like...
You do?
Focused and praying. Yes.
Okay.
And once we saw that light and the whole sky lit up. Oh, why don't you mention about the, when we were leaving St. Louis?
Oh yeah, the arch, it was, the top of it was in fog. Yeah,
you couldn't see the top of that or most buildings too. I was lucky enough to get a quick glance. But wow, and I can see the fog and the mist with the rain in the air. This is... Wow.
Okay.
Thank you.